Hi, I'm Andy. This is Investing Book Highlights. You can help build this channel by clicking like and subscribe. And now, on with the show. I've made videos covering 21 investing books. This is significant because it's half of my investing library. For this video, it's an investing basics outline with the books I would recommend for beginners. But before everyone else hits that pause button or closes the window, stick around for the whole video because I'd really like to know your thoughts in the comment section. The first book I would recommend is The Barefoot Investor, or a book like it. One that discusses budgets, debts, and spending habits. You've got to be in control of your finances. You've got to get rid of your bad debt. You've got to be in control of your spending. There may be some difficult or very difficult decisions you need to make in these three areas, but you have to be in control. Because of inflation, saving isn't enough. Your money needs to compound. What investing vehicle will you choose to do that? There are two main ways in the stock market: index funds or individual companies. The book I would recommend for index funds is The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle, the inventor of the index fund. If you choose to invest in individual companies, I'd recommend Invested. But the question you have to ask yourself is, do you have time to read annual reports, quarterly reports, weekly updates, industry reports, and the time to read about the competitors of the companies you are interested in? Warren Buffett said this: if you like spending 6 to 8 hours per week working on investments, do it. If you don't, then dollar cost average into index funds. If you're not interested in compounding your money in the stock market, maybe real estate or your own business is where you compound your money. But no matter what investment vehicle you choose, your money must compound higher than the index funds, because that's your baseline. All it takes to invest in an index fund is a click of a button to transfer your money from your bank account to your index fund account. If you're working any harder than that and getting an equal or lesser return than the index fund, maybe you should rethink your investment vehicle. The Intelligent Investor and Security Analysis are books recommended for investors. Unless you're an advanced investor, forget about these books. The investor community is doing a disservice by recommending these books to anyone who isn't advanced. It's like telling someone to run a marathon when they've only just taken up running. There are, however, two things a beginner investor needs to know from The Intelligent Investor. Chapter 8, Mr. Market, and Chapter 20, Margin of Safety. You can find explanations of those in a Google or a wiki search. Know what Robert Shiller's cyclically adjusted price to earnings ratio, or CAPE, is. Know what the Buffett indicator is. Google or wiki search both those to get a basic understanding of them. As I continue my investing study, I realize again and again how personal investing is. This is a really important point to internalize early on. It helps you avoid a lot of the noise and distraction that comes with investing. Are you struggling with debt? Well, you need to research how to get out of debt. Do you need a budget? You need to research budget types and see what works for you. Is investing in an index fund your way to compound money? Then you need to research different index fund companies and the different indexes they offer. Do you want to compound your money in a business? You need to research what owning a business involves. Finally, while it's up to you, there are companies, financial advisors, and resources that can help you. But remember, it's your money and you are in control. To end this video, I've sorted the first 21 investing books into beginner, intermediate, and advanced categories. Enjoy! To help build this channel, please click like and subscribe. And leave a comment or question below. I'd love to know your thoughts on this video. And I hope your day is full of highlights.